Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and the other day I showed how to wrap a neat loop and a messy loop on a seashell. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chain to put them on. So this is a very easy tutorial. I have this stainless steel chain. Now to cut stainless steel I am using memory wire cutters. If I use my regular cutters, it will damage them, just FYI. I also have some jump rings and some lobster claw clasp here. I already put the jump ring on one end of my chain, and then I'll make sure that this opens. Yep, I'm going to hang that on there like that, and I'm going to close this up, and I am going to get a ruler. I want these to be about 18 inches in length. So I don't know if I'll be able to, I'm not going to be able to actually show you the whole length because I don't have enough room to do that. But I'm just going to take my chain here with the clasp on it, and I'm going to measure 18 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and put a jump ring. These are all open, but a jump ring on the top there, or in the lobster, because I will need that on the other side, and I'm going to use that to measure my length. So 18 inches. Okay, measured about 18 inches. All right, come on. There we go. And then this is very fine chain, so I'm going to have to be very patient with trying to get it into my jump ring there. There we go. It worked. Close it up. Oh, I forgot to put my, I think that'll fit on there. Let's see. Can't remember if my bail is going to be big enough. I forgot to put my shell on there, and it's not quite big enough. I would edit this out, but I'd like to show y'all that even us seasoned jewelry makers do make mistakes and have issues. I like to make it real, because if you only see the perfect part of making jewelry, then I feel you beginners are going to get really discouraged, and I don't want people to get discouraged. So that's why I show some of my baubles. In fact, I show a lot of my baubles. All right, one is done. And I'm still working with an injured finger, so I am a little bit more clumsy than normal. Oh, I love these. Okay, I'll make sure this is working. Yeah, that's working okay. I'm going to go ahead and put my shell on here. Did I get it in there? Yes, I got it in there. Okay. Is this the one? There we go. And also, let me get another pair of pliers, because I'm going to show you something. See how much easier that was? All right, need to measure this. 18 inches. Actually, I think I'm going to do this 17 inches. I like my necklaces about 17 inches, and I know some people do like that. 18 is pretty standard. But I know when I wear an 18 inch, it seems a little long on me. Well, well, well. There we go. Just kind of jockey that around a little bit. We got our necklaces done. And there are my two necklaces. If you're interested on how I wrapped these two, I did a messy one and a neat one. I'll leave a link to the video at the end of this video so you can click on it. But let me know what you think of this seashell jewelry. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.